Welcome to Textify. In this video, we will show you how to import your own external data into Textify, whether it's a CSV or Excel file, and instantly turn it into custom charts and visualizations. We will walk through an example using regional sales data so you can see how easy it is to work with your own data set and unlock powerful insights beyond Textify's built-in database. This option is only accessible with a Pro subscription. You can purchase a Pro plan to access this. To get started, head to the Profile section and click on Chart My Data. Here, you will find the option to upload your own CSV file. For this demo, I will be uploading a sample file. As you can see, the file has been uploaded. Once your file is uploaded, simply click the Analyze button. The analysis process has now started. The system will now process your data and automatically generate relevant charts from it. This is a CSV file you have uploaded. This shows that the analysis process is completed. This is a preview of your CSV. Click Show Charts to view your result. As you can see, a pie chart has been generated, showing the sales channel distribution from the dataset. Under Explore Other Charts, you will discover a variety of other visualizations generated based on different aspects of your data. You can easily explore these charts by clicking on them. There are also several pie chart variations available. Simply click these options to switch between different styles and formats. That is how simple it is to upload, analyze, and visualize your data using Textify Pro. In just a few clicks, your data transforms into powerful interactive charts, all tailored to your needs. So upgrade to Pro and start uncovering deeper insights from your own datasets today. Thanks for watching.